Ein neuer Versuch. Ja, das ist besser.
Daddy, machst du? This is.
So, first of all, mark me everything before I cut. Okay? 750.
Let's have it up.
Dachowki.
This is the one that is supposed to go inside, but it's not going. I don't know if maybe we'll pick a size too big. But Robert said he checked it. Their side is correct, but just this side is not correct. I don't know why. It's not going through. He have used almost 30 minutes trying to figure out how he can do it, but it did not work. It doesn't go inside. It's too big. Like, it's the same size, so it can't go inside. There's no space for it to pass after you have already cut it.
Maybe you can try to put it at another direction.
It's only one direction, only this direction, and it doesn't work.
Maybe you can get it in the
So
fast.
I don't know if you guys, first it's not working. I don't know if you guys have any idea, but like I said maybe you have to go and check if there is another smaller size. Maybe we'll pick the big size or so. Alright. So at the moment he's just fixing it like that. Even though this is actually not needed because we have another fitter comes inside. So the last part is going in. Look at that. Look at that. Okay.
Because this was just.
Yes.
Okay, I have to short it a bit. So. Hallo, Schraube. Komm schon. Ist kein Loch an der Stelle. Aha. Okay. Ist hier ein Loch an der Stelle? Ja. Das kriege ich hin.